we got another one. We got some plug valves here, some 2-inch, some 2x2 plug valves. We'll go ahead and get started. They're weird. They're easy as hell to do. This is what it is right here. Just a 2x2 plug valve. So we're going to get started to get these tore apart. We'll go from there. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna pop all the tops off. I got 7 lined up here. We're gonna go through and get all of them popped off. These bolts are just a 2 3/4 bolt. Alright. Well, take all these tops off. Hopefully. Nope. Where's my ball peen at, damn it? Hold on a second. Give me 1 minute, gotta go grab my hammer. And I'm back. Oh, drop the crap. Roll them over. Yeah, I ain't trying that. I ain't blowing my back out. Oh crap. Get that fixed up right like that. Mother crap. Jump. Goddamn RFD check. Oh well, they'll stay. I'll tighten this wing up real quick. Pause it. Alright, we got them hammered tight on there. As you get through, most of that stuff right there. One's done. Now we're going to try to bust the bottoms off. Valve bar. Oh yeah, real nice and easy. So once I get all these bottoms off, I'll show you guys what the inside of these look like. See you here in a minute. Decided I'll go ahead and take this one apart. Show you what the inside of it looks like real quick. So busting all of them apart. You guys don't want to see all of them. This is technically called the bottom. This is the bottom of the valve. And these are technically your doors. So they just go. Just take these off. Where's my doors at? And touch that nasty grease. It's Valvetec grease, and for anybody that knows what Valvetec grease is, it is sticky, super tacky. It's a high heat, high pressure, high volume grease. You gotta spray your gloves with like PB Blaster to keep it from really sticking to you. Using expensive stuff, why not? Basically all this black stuff you see on here is this Valvetec grease here. This shit's nasty. This crap's nasty, sorry for my language. It's nasty, it's tacky, and without some type of oil or something on your hands, it'll just stick to you. So these just slide onto that bottom, sorry. So those are. There's the bottom. Pack is full of grease here. There's a gasket on the inside there. So that's what the inside of the valve looks like. That's your door. Just nasty, tiny little pieces. A bunch of little gaskets and whatnot. Most of the time it's just a pain in the butt. Set you back up here. So once you get your door out, I soak it and stuff. I got this. It's some type of chemical degreaser. It's got diluted acid in it. It's pretty nasty stuff. You kind of want to be careful when you mess with it. But I gotta give me some taggies, mother queefers. But yeah, that's it. Once I get it tore apart, this will be a 2-part video. Cause I just want to open these up real quick. I gotta pressure test some valves still before I can actually finish these. So I'm gonna get all these tore down, get all the guts taken out of them, and I'll set them over there. And one of the other guys, when they get in, they'll come over, unwing these, take them outside, power wash them so the inside one's clean. And then I'll get behind them and once I'm done pressure testing, I'll get behind them, wing it up there, and I'll really detail clean it. We gotta check if it's washed. If it's washed, it'll get pitched. So, but this is the test bay here. It's a high pressure test bay. We test them at, some of them are like 15K. Just depends on what the company wants you to do. So I got a lot of work here. We got these manifolds. There's a manifold here. And then the plug catcher. There's a 9 plug valve manifold plug catcher, 5 valve plug catcher, and then these I gotta go through, pressure test all these. If any of them fail, tear them apart, rebuild them. Those are all manifolds. Those are, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 manifolds I gotta do. Function test. Well, not function test. Drawing blanks here. And then I got these. I got some big 3-inch plug valves here I gotta do. These are your 3-inch here. These are your 3-inch, 2-inch. And these are Safeways. I did a video on those already. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strings of valves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are a lot of valves there to do. And then the guys will come in and grease all these. These are ones that I've already rebuilt or built. And little 3-valve manifolds I built. These ESDs are just a plug valve with an ESD head. And that's it. Maybe one day out there into one of these and get to show you guys what these consist of. It's a combo unit. But yeah, stay tuned. Part 2 will be coming out soon. We can get her done and get on with it, bud. Y'all have a good Tuesday morning. I'm gonna get me another cup of coffee. Go smoke me a cigarette. And then by God, I'm gonna get this day done and over with. Got here at a little after 5 this morning. I'll probably stay till 5 or 6 today to get all these valves done. I'll probably stay till 5 or 6 all week to get all those valves done. And we'll go from there. So remember, don't be a dick.